Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Muhammad Fasihuddin, teacher of Al Usman Institute, Dubai. Today's date is 26th November 2024 and the Islamic date is 24th Jamadi Awwal 1446. Let us begin with today's Tarbiyyah assembly. Today's topic: avoiding hatred. Dear children, the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "La tabaghazu." Translation: Do not hate one another. Source: Sahih al-Bukhari. Hatred means holding bad feelings in your heart for someone. It can destroy relationships and make our hearts unhappy. Instead, we should forgive others and always try to spread love and kindness. A short story. Two boys, Bilal and Yasin, were good friends. One day they had a small argument while playing, and Bilal said something unkind to Yasin. Yasin felt hurt and stopped talking to Bilal. At home, Yasin's elder brother saw he was upset and asked what was wrong. Yasin explained, and his brother reminded him of the hadith, "Do not hate one another." He explained that it is better to forgive and not let hatred grow in our hearts. The next day, Yasin went to Bilal and said, "I forgive you and am sorry for being upset." Bilal apologized too, and they became even better friends. Lesson from today's assembly. Point 1: Hatred makes our hearts heavy and our lives unhappy. Point 2: Forgiving others brings peace and strengthens relationships. Point 3: Always choose love and kindness over anger and hate. That's all for today. Inshallah, we will meet tomorrow with another inspiring topic. Let us pray to Allah to cleanse our hearts from hatred and fill them with compassion. Ameen. Wassalam. Tarbiyyah Department, Al Usman Institute.